can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency markets. We're having a fairly green day in the cryptocurrency market. A lot of altcoins are having gains, double-digit gains for hype, double-digit gains for cool AI. Zcash has pulled back. We saw Zcash rallying straight to new all-time high. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market has improved. We saw extreme fear return to the cryptocurrency market yesterday. Right now, the cryptocurrency market is still in fear. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, currently trades above $109,000. Is the cycle over? That's the $1 million question. Market participants are asking, are we already in a bear market? Is this all? Is this everything the 2025 bull market cycle has to offer? We look at Bitcoin's valuation against the US dollar. We look at Ethereum's valuation against the US dollar. Ethereum has gotten to as high as $3,900 over the last 24 hours. In the coming days and the coming weeks, are we expecting that blow off top, or are we expecting a dump to gobbling town? What's the updates with Bitcoin dominance? We also look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market, news stories going around the cryptocurrency market, and altcoin season index. We're not going to get altcoin season. It's altcoin season over in 2025. Should we still expect our altcoins to pump? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with sentiments in the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are still fearful, even though Bitcoin is not far from its previous all-time highs. Bitcoin is trading around $109,000. It's very, very crazy to see $109,000 Bitcoin with a lot of fear in the cryptocurrency market. Some years ago, $100,000 Bitcoin was a dream. Right now, market participants are scared, even though we're trading near all-time highs. But you can see reasons why they are scared. We have been pumping for over 3 years right now. Since the 18th of November 2022, we have seen Bitcoin bottom at $15,000. Bitcoin has been rallying then. Bitcoin is up by more than 600%. And historically, the bubble doesn't last forever. We've seen Bitcoin pump before. We've also seen it dump to gobbling town. But one thing is sure, there's going to be a big dump in the nearest future. Nobody knows exactly the time the dump will start. But right now, there's palpable fear in the cryptocurrency market. We saw extreme fear return back to the cryptocurrency market over the last 7 days. And I believe, guys, in the coming days and the coming weeks, I've always said we expect the market to head back to grid. We saw grid return back to the cryptocurrency market when we got to all-time highs. This was just early October. Market participants were excited for the month of October. Historically, October has been a great month in the cryptocurrency market. October has been a month where Bitcoin normally pumps double digits. Bitcoin has a great month. Funny enough, we had a very, very nice September. Market participants were bearish entering September. We saw a green September. Market participants were hyper bullish entering the month of October. And right now, Bitcoin is still down 3.76%. In the month of October, October has gone up by 23 days. We have spent 23 days in October. We have 7 or 8 more days for Bitcoin to rescue itself. There's only twice in Bitcoin's history that we've seen a red October. Way back in 2014, way back in 2015. Is this time different? If you take a look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market, a lot of market participants are still getting liquidated. We have seen a lot of leverage throughout the cycle. We had the biggest liquidation in the cryptocurrency market happen on the 10th of October 2025. And that was just one of the biggest liquidations we have seen. If you go back in time in 2021, when the market was coming to an end, what was happening, we started seeing big liquidations. If you look at the top 10 liquidations of all time you have had in the cryptocurrency market, you'll notice that most of them happened in 2021. The only ones that happened in 2025 was the $3.6 billion dump that happened when the over-leveraged longs were flushed. There was no any news market participants could hold on to see that's why we're dumping. And the one that happened when US tariff hikes on China happened, market participants blamed Donald Trump. We saw over $19 billion liquidated from the cryptocurrency market. But apart from that, you see the other $9 billion liquidation happened near the first top in 2021, the 4th of April, the 18th of April 2021. So $9.4 billion. The market topped around May. The second top was around November. We saw another liquidation on the 5th of May 2021. On the 19th of May 2021, we saw liquidation on the 22nd of February 2021. And you see most of those liquidations in the top 10 came when the cycle was coming to an end. Because when the cycle is coming to an end, a lot of market participants max up the leverage. They have seen Bitcoin pumping. They have seen the altcoin market pumping. And right now, they're very, very confident, saying, you know what? I'll buy the dip, I'll buy the dip on leverage, buy the dip on 2x, buy the dip on 10x, and then they get liquidated. But the party is not over. I still believe we're going to get one more pump to the top. The party is not over. You have to think like a composite man. The composite man is there to deceive market participants. We're playing a game, guys. The game is against other market participants. The game is to buy as low as possible, to sell as high as possible. Our number one job in the market is to buy when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. And when extreme greed returns, we want to sell for some sweet profit. For the last 24 hours, more than 139,000 traders have been liquidated. So that liquidation is coming in around $499 million. The largest liquidation order happened on Hyperliquid. One trader lost $13.97 million. A lot of whales are bearish right now. A lot of, like call them, small players are very bullish, and historically the whales determine the direction the market is going. If you take a look at Hyperliquid's chart of where the whales are positioning, a lot of whales that have big balances, guys, are positioning very bearish. But market participants that have less money in the market, they're positioning very bullish. If you look at market participants that have more than $50 million as their size, they're bearish on the market. Market participants that have made more than $1 million on Hyperliquid, that's in profit, they are very bearish. If not, other market participants are very hyper bullish or very bullish. In the coming days and the coming weeks, I believe the market is going to resolve itself. I believe we're going to see Bitcoin maybe struggle to get to new all-time highs. My focus and my attention is going to be on the altcoin market. The altcoin market is where the most of the gains are made. In the final stages of the market cycle, risks is already in the air. Market participants, a lot of them have lost. A lot of them have felt as if they have missed the run. Many market participants over-indexed on altcoins, not on Bitcoin. So I'll be expecting maximum risky behavior in the final pump in the altcoin market. I'll be expecting Ethereum to join in that pump. I'm expecting Ethereum to rally above previous all-time highs. Maybe we see Ethereum getting even to as high as $6,000. That's a 50% pump from where we're currently trading for Ethereum. Total crypto market cap should also set new all-time highs in an ideal situation. I expect that crypto market cap to set new all-time highs, currently at the $3.65 trillion level. But I'm not expecting Bitcoin to set new all-time highs. You have to think like the marginal retail investor. I don't have $100,000 to buy Bitcoin. I don't have $10,000, $50,000 to buy half a Bitcoin, but I have $10,000 to buy my favorite altcoin that could easily go up 10x, 5x, maybe even 100x. Because don't kid yourself, a lot of market participants are here for the big gains. They're here for the big pump. And when they see the pump coming, that's what they are going to run to. We've seen Zcash over the last 1 week and the last 1 month pump aggressively. But don't get carried away, guys. Don't sell your altcoins that are down bad to be chasing coins that are up in the air. At some point in time in the near future, your altcoin is going to pump. You don't want to be left hanging. Look at Bitcoin dominance. Very important to study Bitcoin dominance. We're still expecting that decline in Bitcoin dominance. When Bitcoin dominance starts declining, we see joy in the altcoin market as market participants start going rigs on, and we see the altcoin market pumping. And one of the big believers in Bitcoin dominance dumping, I know the market is divided right now. We have people believing Bitcoin dominance should continue pumping higher. Bitcoin should set new all-time highs. I'm a strong believer in Bitcoin dominance dumping, Bitcoin failing to set new all-time highs, the altcoin market pumping, and the end of the market cycle coming in less than 60 days. I strongly believe we're going to top in Q4. I don't think this time is different. I believe human nature doesn't change. If you buy extreme fear, the market will give you a chance to buy at extreme greed. If you buy when the market's in extreme greed, at some point in time, the nearest future, you are definitely going to sell when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. If you zoom out what Bitcoin has done over the years, in 2013, we topped in November. In 2017, we topped in December. In 2018, we topped in November. And there's a 4-year difference between all these bull markets. Wouldn't it be funny and wouldn't it be very coincidental if we top in December of 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. We're still waiting for altcoin season. Right now, market participants are split between the bull market and the bear market. A lot of market participants believe the bull market is going to extend to 2026. Some believe we're already at the end of the bull market and we're starting the bear market in 2026. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. How bullish are you on the market? Do you believe we're going to see altcoin season? Because if you look at the altcoin season index, it told us that there was an altcoin season in September, and we talked about it then. In September, there was an altcoin season. Some altcoins were pumping front, left, and center, but majority of the altcoins in the market were not actually rallying aggressively. I strongly believe we're still going to see a blow off top in the market, but that blow off top is going to come in a lot of altcoins. It may not be the altcoin you're holding, it may not be the OG altcoin that have been in the cryptocurrency market. Newer altcoins, we see greater pumps, coins like Asta, Hyperliquid, I don't know, coins that are just created between last cycle and this cycle, and the only way we're going to see an altcoin season confirmed on the altcoin season again before the end of this year is if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. Right now, Bitcoin is down 5.4% over the last 90 days. Expect to see the altcoin market outperform Bitcoin in the coming days and the coming weeks. If you look at the meme coin market, a lot of meme coins are still down double digits. When you see the meme coin market pumping, when you see extreme greed return back to the cryptocurrency market, that will be a telltale sign to start running for the hills. That will be a telltale sign that market participants are getting off the risk curve. But right now, Bitcoin is still the king of the market. Bitcoin has a market cap of over $2 trillion. Top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization is still relatively unchanged. BNB just only the top 10 altcoin that is positive over the last 30 days. That's the kind of crazy dump that we've seen in the cryptocurrency market over the last 30 days. We saw an all-time high in the last 30 days, and we saw the biggest liquidation in the cryptocurrency market over the last 30 days. And if you look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market participants are split between being bullish on Bitcoin and being bullish on gold. We have seen gold rally to new all-time highs, but then we saw a very big pullback, and a lot of market participants that are bullish on Bitcoin are now starting to change their analysis, trying to say the 4-year cycle is dead. We're going to top in Q2 of 2026, guys. This time is not different. The crowd is always wrong at the extreme, and 99% of the time when the crowd wants one thing to happen, that's not what's going to happen. We saw what happened before we entered the month of September. The talk was September is always bearish, yada. We had a green September. Before we got into the month of October, the talk was October is very bullish, double-digit gains for Bitcoin in the month of October. Right now, we're having a red October. So the crowd is always wrong at the extreme. This time it's not different. Total crypto market cap sits around $3.67 trillion. I'll be expecting it to get to as high as $5 trillion in the coming days and the coming weeks. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Are you still buying altcoins? Are you scaling out of the market? Are you buying Bitcoin? What's your plans for the cryptocurrency market in the coming days and the coming weeks? What's your exit plan? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.